Do you want to learn how to deploy your app on Hostinger Horizons? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So once you've built your app, like I've done over here, I kept going back and forth with it to build this app on the right-hand side. And if you want to deploy it, you just need to click on this on the top right. This is deploy. Click on it and it's going to start deploying it. Now the deployment is successful and you can access it via the link below. You can view the website from here. You can give this link to someone else and they can also visit your website app and play around with it. Now you can also connect your domain if you want to know how to do this or how to connect it with Supabase and a lot more, a full guide, etc. There's a playlist on the right. You can check it out. All my Hostinger Horizons tutorials there. So that's it. This is how to deploy an web app on Hostinger Horizons. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and comment if you have any questions regarding Hostinger Horizons, and I'm going to help solve your problem. And that's it. See you in my other videos and bye for now.